Hello, I'm Roy. Laser welding unit for collaborative welding robots now available. Here are some features. What our welding systems can do for you. 1. Main interface clearly shows the robot and the welder's status. 2. Every button on the teaching screen works. Just press and go. 3. Same for the welding screen, full control at your fingertips. 4. Bottom toolbar is fully functional, ready to support your workflow. 5. Real welding process are now fully operational. 6. Automatically closes the arc after welding and support resuming from a breakpoint. 7. Features smooth ramp up, ramp down for better weld starts and stops. 8. Start welding from any point along your path. Total flexibility. 9. Run step-by-step with highlighted guidance for easy teaching and checking. Are you ready to weld smarter? Your laser welding setup is just a pre-order away.